Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today's episode will focus on the oneness of humanity, a principle forming the core of the Baha'i Faith. Due to the recent devastating incidents of racial injustice, I feel that the topic of unity and equality, which will be discussed from a Baha'i perspective, is especially timely and relevant. The oneness of humanity, a central fundamental principle of the Baha'i Faith, requires the complete elimination of all forms of prejudice, including racial, religious, social, or gender-related prejudice. In order for humankind to be able to attain a state of unity and everlasting peace and harmony, discrimination and hatred need to be set aside and rather give way to love and peace. Current upheavals and problems affecting our world today are due to discriminatory and biased behaviors viewing the superiority of one group over another. A faulty predisposition or biased mindset stems from ignorance and obliviousness, which inhibit our understanding of the truth that every individual is a spiritual being and creation of God, endowed with inherent talents and aptitudes. The Baha'i Faith addresses the pressing needs facing humanity today, including the need to establish unity and help the human race overcome modern-day turmoil and unrest, and move toward the next stage of maturity, characterized by a united universal civilization. I will now present a slideshow of beautiful quotes related to unity and equality, written by Hazrate Baha'u'llah, the Prophet of the Baha'i Faith, Hazrate Abdu'l-Baha, the son of Baha'ullah, as well as Hazrate Shoghi Effendi, the grandson of Abdu'l-Baha. The earth is but one country, and mankind its citizens. Baha'u'llah. Close your eyes to racial differences and welcome all with the light of oneness. Baha'u'llah. God is the shepherd of all and we are his flock. There are not many races, there is only one race. Abdu'l-Baha. Do not allow differences of opinion or diversity of thought to separate you from your fellow men, or to be the cause of dispute, hatred, and strife in your hearts. Rather, search diligently for the truth and make all men your friends. Abdu'l-Baha. Blessed and happy is he that ariseth to promote the best interests of the peoples and kindreds of the earth. Baha'u'llah. May you become as the waves of one sea, stars of the same heaven, fruits adorning the same tree, roses of one garden, in order that through you the oneness of humanity may establish its temple in the world of mankind. For you are the ones who are called to uplift the cause of unity among the nations of the earth. Abdu'l-Baha. Your souls are as waves on the sea of the Spirit. Although each individual is a distinct wave, the ocean is one, all are united in God. Abdu'l-Baha. So intense must be the spirit of love and loving kindness that the stranger may find himself a friend, the enemy a true brother, no difference whatsoever existing between them. Abdu'l-Baha. Be as a lamp unto them that walk in darkness, a joy to the sorrowful, a sea for the thirsty, a haven for the distressed, an upholder and defender of the victim of oppression. Baha'u'llah. Ye are the fruits of one tree and the leaves of one branch. Deal ye one with another with the utmost love and harmony, with friendship and fellowship. Baha'u'llah. The stronger the ties of fellowship and solidarity amongst men, the greater will be the power of constructiveness and accomplishment in all the planes of human activity. Baha'u'llah. This is worship, to serve mankind and to minister to the needs of the people. Baha'u'llah. So powerful is the light of unity that it can illuminate the whole earth. Baha'u'llah. God has created the world as one. The boundaries are marked out by man. Abdu'l-Baha. Strive that your actions day by day may be beautiful prayers. Turn towards God and seek always to do that which is right and noble. Enrich the poor, raise the fallen, comfort the sorrowful, bring healing to the sick, reassure the fearful, rescue the oppressed, bring hope to the hopeless, shelter the destitute. Abdu'l-Baha. The diversity in the human family should be the cause of love and harmony, as it is in music where many different notes blend together in the making of a perfect chord. Abdu'l-Baha. If you desire with all your heart friendship with every race on earth, your thought, spiritual and positive, will spread. It will become the desire of others, growing stronger and stronger, until it reaches the minds of all men. Abdu'l-Baha. The unity of the human race, as envisaged by Baha'u'llah, implies the establishment of a world commonwealth in which all nations, races, creeds, and classes are closely and permanently united, and in which the autonomy of its state members and the personal freedom and initiative of the individuals that compose them are definitely and completely safeguarded. Shoghi Effendi. The end is glorious if we only persevere. Shoghi Effendi. Service to humanity is service to God. Baha'u'llah. I will leave you all now with a Baha'i prayer for unity by Hazrate Baha'u'llah.
Oh my God, unite the hearts of thy servants, and reveal to them thy great purpose. May they follow thy commandments and abide in thy love. Help them, O God, in their endeavor, and grant them strength to serve thee. Oh God, leave them not to themselves. Oh no, but guide their steps by the light of thy knowledge, and children and their low.
This concludes Part 6. Please stay tuned for a continuation of this episode, Part 7, which will feature an in-depth analysis of the utmost importance of the principle of the oneness of humanity and equality from a Baha'i perspective. For an overview of the Baha'i Faith, please feel free to watch the other videos located in the Baha'i Faith channel. For more information, please visit Baha'i.org, the official website of the Baha'i Faith. Thank you very much for watching.